Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to do a look for you, showing you guys how I really just focus on my lashes and make them look like I'm wearing fake lashes without wearing fake lashes, and just like super minimal makeup. This is just for the days where you just don't want to wear makeup, you don't have a lot of time, so like you gotta go to the grocery store, or just you gotta go in public, so you do want to wear something, but you're not the type of person who doesn't wear anything. So let's get started. So my face is already washed and lotioned, and always remember to wear SPF if you're going to go out in the day. Even if you're going from like one building to the next, always just make sure to put SPF on because that's super important for your skin. The sun is the #1 cause of aging, so remember SPF. And right now I lost my sunscreen, so I need to go get that. But right now I've just been using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer that has SPF 20. And hopefully that's okay right now. So for any redness or like my under eyes, I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer, like the smallest amount, onto my finger. And I'm just going to dot it where I want it to go. Because I don't want too much. And this is supposed to be a super quick look. So I just blend this out. And I blend it out to the point where like there's honestly barely anything. So I don't really want to set it and make it look all makeup-y. For my eyebrows, I always leave them if I don't have enough time. These are literally the last thing that I will do. Most of the time I don't even do my eyebrows, so I just brush those and leave them. So eyelashes are going to be the only thing that I'm going to do for this look. And I'm going to be using Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang Mascara. It's honestly super amazing. I was so shocked when I first tried this only a couple days ago, and this is honestly my new favorite. You always want to find a mascara that's going to space out your lashes and not clump them up while lengthening them. Sometimes you'll have to get a lengthening mascara so that it spaces out your lashes and then use one for volume afterwards, but I found that this mascara actually does both in one. Go in, make sure nothing's clumping. So I'm just going to let that dry a little bit and then go back in with another coat. And you're going to let that one dry a little bit more, and then one more coat. And if your eyelashes get a little bit clumpy like this, take a spoolie, a clean spoolie, and just take out some of that mascara. And you're going to want to get the bottom lashes as well, just a little bit. I don't like these to be too heavy. So just like that. And then that's really it. If you want, you can add a little bit of highlight, and I'm going to use Sunbeam by Benefit. This just gives you that dewy look. That's what you want to go for. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. I just wanted to show you guys how I get these lashes because I get a lot of questions on my normal lashes, whether it's in daily life or on Instagram or my Snapchat stories, stuff like that. I always get the question if my eyelashes are real or fake. So I wanted to show you guys how I get my mascara lashes because I always get asked if they're fake. I don't personally think they look that fake, but hey, I'll take it. It's a compliment. I know my lashes are pretty long already, so it's kind of easier for me to get that fake look. But if you guys can't replicate what I'm doing and you guys have any questions, then feel free to comment below or DM me on Instagram or on Snapchat or something, and go ahead and ask, and I will do my best to help you guys in any way I can. So anyway, I hope I see you guys in my next video.